that National Assembly, chaired by that Speaker, when the National Assembly was verifying these commissioners, is not a National Assembly that can act independently and objectively. And I appreciate that everybody is saying we must have a commission because the elections are in 2027, and there are many things that the commission needs to do. I accept that, my Lord. I accept that, Your Ladyship. But let us look at the greater evil. If you are going to have a commission by rushing, that we should not have, we are rushing the nation of Kenya into a hole. So let us not be told about the limited time if the consequence is to push the nation to a hole.